Hi students. If sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to L plus 3 plus K sin square theta cos square theta, then L minus K equal to L minus K. So this is a sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. This is A square plus B square can be written as here A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to A plus B whole square. So from this A square plus B square equal to A plus B whole square minus 2AB. So this is right. This is A, this is B. Sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So this is 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Now you compare this. L plus 3 is equal to 1. L plus 3 equal to 1 implies L is equal to 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. And what is K is equal to? K is minus 2. K is minus 2. Now the given question is L minus K equal to, where L is minus 2, minus of minus 2, that is minus 2 plus 2, which is 0. So L minus K is 0. Next one, if cosecant power 6 theta minus cot power 6 theta is equal to A cot power 4 theta plus B cot square theta plus C, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Then A plus B plus C is so this is cosecant power 6 theta minus cot power 6 theta equal to, this you write cosecant square theta whole cube minus cot power 6 theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. So this cosecant square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta whole cube minus cot power 6 theta. So this is A plus B whole cube form. A cube plus 3A square B. A is 1, 3 A square B. A square is B is A cube plus 3 A is 1, B is cot square theta, 3A square B plus 3A B square cot power 4 theta plus B cube cot square theta whole cube, that is cot power 6 theta minus cot power 6 theta. So these two gets cancelled. That is equal to 3 cot power 4 theta plus 3 cot square theta plus 1. So A is equal to 3, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 1. So A plus B plus C is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 1, that is 7. So this is A plus B whole cube, A cube, 3A square B, A is 1, A square is 1, B is cot square theta, 3A B square, cot square theta whole square, that is cot power 4 theta, plus B cube, cot square theta whole cube, that is cot power 6 theta. So this is A, B, C, because it is given A, B, C. A is 3, B is 3, C is 1. So A plus B plus C is equal to 7. Next one, if secant A is equal to 5x plus 1 by 20x, then secant A plus tan A secant A plus tan A is equal to secant A is equal to, now multiplying both sides by 2, 2 secant A is equal to 2 into 5x plus 1 by 20x, this is x in denominator, that is equal to 10x plus 1 by 10x. So this is 2 by 20 means 1 by 10. This 2 secant A, right, secant A plus tan A plus secant A minus tan A is equal to 10x plus 1 by 10x. 1 by 10x. So tan A gets cancelled, secant A plus secant A, that is 2 secant A. Okay, so we know that secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. That implies secant A plus tan A into secant A minus tan A is equal to 1. That implies secant A minus tan A is equal to 1 by secant A plus tan A. That is, if the value is 5, it is 1 by 5. If the value is 1 by 5, it is 5. Like this, if secant A plus tan A, secant A plus tan A is equal to 10x, implies secant A minus tan A is equal to 1 by 10x. Suppose if secant A plus tan A is equal to 1 by 10x, implies secant A minus tan A is equal to is equal to tan x. Tan x. So if secant a plus tan a equal to 10, secant a minus tan a equal to 1 by tan x. If secant a plus tan a equal to 1 by tan x, implies secant a minus tan a equal to tan x. Therefore, secant a plus tan a is equal to tan x or 1 by tan x is the answer. Try to note this point. Next one, if sin a plus cos a by cos cube a is equal to a tan cube a plus b tan square a plus c tan a plus d, then a plus b plus c plus d is equal to that means LH side completely you convert in terms of tan. So this is sin a plus cos a by cos cube a is equal to sin a by cos cube a plus cos a by cos cube a. So that is equal to, this you write sin a by cos a into 1 by cos square a plus this is 1 by cos square a. So this is tan a into secant 1 by cos square a secant square a plus this is also secant square a. So this is tan a into 1 plus tan square a. Secant square a is 1 plus tan square a plus this is also 1 plus tan square a. By multiplying this, tan a plus tan cube a plus 1 plus tan square a. So that is equal to tan cube a plus tan square a plus tan a plus 1. So tan cube a coefficient is what? 1. So a is equal to 1. Tan square a coefficient is b. b is 1. And c is equal to 1. d equal to 1. Therefore, a plus b plus c plus d equal to 4 is the answer. Next one, if sin A comma cos A comma tan A are in GP, then cot power 6A minus cot square A is equal to 1 minus 1 0 2. These are options. Sin A, cos A, tan A. So if you have A comma B comma C are in GP, implies common ratio is equal, that is B by A is equal to C by B. B by A equal to C by B, implies B square is equal to AC. So this is A comma B comma C are in GP, implies B square equal to AC. Here these three are in GP, implies, so this is A, B, C are in GP. B square equal to AC. B square is cos square A is equal to sin A into tan A. That is equal to sin A into, this is sin A by cos A. Cross multiplication, cos cube A is equal to sin square A. Sin A to sin A, sin square A, cos take this side. Now dividing by sin square A, sin cube A on both sides. So this is cos cube A by sin cube A is equal to sin square A by sin cube A. Now this is cos by sin is what? Cot. Cot cube A is equal to, so this is 1 by sin A. Sin square A 2 times gets cancelled, 1 by sin A, that is equal to 1 by sin A is cosecant A. So that is cot cube A is equal to cosecant A. And so from this, cot cube A equal to cosecant A. Now cot power 6A minus cot square A, this is equal to, cot power 6 can be written as cot cube A whole square minus cot square A. Cot cube A equal to cosecant A. So this is equal to cosecant square A minus cot square A. So this is 1. We know that 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. Cosecant square A minus cot square A equal to 1. Next one, sin power 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta into 1 minus 1 by cosecant square theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to options are 1, 2, 0, 1 by 2. These are options. So this is sin power 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta 1 minus 1 by cosecant square theta is sin square theta. So this is 1 minus sin square theta is, right, 1 minus this is sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. So this is sin power 4 theta plus this is 2 sin square theta into this is cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. So this is just like a square plus 2ab plus b square form. That is, this is right, sin square theta whole square plus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta plus cos square theta whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, which is a plus b whole square. That is, where a is sin square theta, b is cos square theta whole square. So this is 1 square. 1 square is 1. Next one, sin square alpha by 1 plus cot square alpha plus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha whole square plus cos square alpha is equal to for this problem also options are same. So this is sin square alpha, 1 plus cot square alpha is cosecant square alpha plus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha is secant square alpha. So secant square alpha whole square plus this is cos square, this is the so this is cot square alpha. So, okay, so 1 by cosecant square alpha is, right, sin square alpha, that is sin square alpha into sin square alpha plus sin square alpha by tan square alpha, this is tan square alpha is sin square alpha by cos square alpha by, so this is secant power 4 alpha. Secant means 1 by cos. So this is 1 by cos power 4 alpha plus cos square alpha. So this is sin power 4 alpha plus this is 2 times gets cancelled, cos square alpha, that comes numerator, sin square alpha into cos square alpha plus cos square alpha. So these two you can take sin square alpha is taking common. Sin power 4 alpha means sin square alpha into sin square alpha. Sin square alpha is taken common, so this is cos square alpha plus cos square alpha. So this is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Again the value is 1. So this is sin square alpha, this is 1 plus this part cos square alpha. Again the value is 1. So for this also 1 is the correct answer. Next one, prove that 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So in this problem there is no logic, only thing is expansion. So this is here a plus b minus c whole square form. A plus b minus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, where minus c, where c you get simply minus c. So this is plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. For denominator a plus b plus c whole square. So all terms are positive. So this is LHS a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. So that is what? Plus 2 into 1 into sin theta minus 2bc, 2 these two, sin theta into cos theta minus 2ca, cos theta into 1. So that is cos theta by, so this is 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2ab, 2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta plus 2 cos theta. Okay. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, this is 1. There also sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is 2, that is 2 plus 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta, and here minus, this is 2 cos theta is taking common. these two, you can take 2 cos theta common. So this is what? Sin theta plus 1 by 1 plus 1, this is 1, 2 plus 2 sin theta, and again these two, 2 cos theta is taking common, plus 2 cos theta common. So this is sin theta plus 1. So in this also, totally you can take 2 is taking common, or you can write 2 is taking common, 1 plus sin theta minus 2 cos theta into 1 plus sin theta by 2 into 1 plus sin theta plus this is 2 cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. So this is 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta into, that is equal to 1 plus sin theta into, so this is 2 minus 2 cos theta, 2 minus 2 cos theta by denominator 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta common, 1 plus sin theta into, so this is 2 plus 2 cos theta. So this is 2 plus 2 cos theta. So 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta gets cancelled. In numerator 2 common, 1 minus cos theta. Denominator 2 common, 1 plus cos theta. So these two gets cancelled. That is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, which is RHS. Now eliminate theta from the following. Eliminate theta from the following. First one, x equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to b sin cube theta. From these two, eliminating theta by using the trigonometric formulas, the trigonometric identities, that is relations. Here x by a is equal to cos cube theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So this you can make it as 2, means raising the power both sides by 2 by 3. So this is cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3. So this gets cancelled, that is cos square theta. Similarly, y by b is equal to sin cube theta. Y by b whole power 2 by 3 is equal to, so this is sin cube theta whole power 2 by 3, that is 3 cancel, that equal to, this is a sin square. Why are raising the power only for 2 by 3? Because we know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So this is, let it be 1 and this is 2. Adding these two, what about the first one? X by a whole power 2 by 3 plus y by b whole power 2 by 3 is equal to, so this is cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 1. So is equal to 1. That is, there is no theta in this. Second problem, x is equal to a plus r cos theta and y is equal to b plus r sin theta. Eliminate theta. Here x minus a is equal to r cos theta. X minus a whole square is equal to r square cos square theta, and y minus b is equal to r sin theta, and y minus b whole square is equal to r square sin square theta. So this is first one and this is second one. Now adding these two, that is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. I am taking r square is taking common, so this is cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is r square into 1. So this is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. And to try some problems, x is equal to a cos power 4 theta, y is equal to b sin power 4 theta, x is equal to a into secant theta plus tan theta, and y is equal to b into secant theta minus tan theta. Third problem, x equal to a tan theta, y is equal to b secant theta. Eliminating theta. Fourth one, x is equal to 4 into cosecant theta plus cot theta, y is equal to 5 into cosecant theta minus cot theta. So eliminating theta. So by using the trigonometric identities, that's the relations, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, or secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And one more formula is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1 by using eliminating theta. And one more problem. X is equal to cot theta plus tan theta, and y is equal to secant theta minus cos theta. That means by eliminating theta, then prove that x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. X is equal to, you write this is sin cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta. By taking LCM, sin theta into cos theta LCM, that is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is equal to 1 by sin theta into cos theta. X is equal to, like y is equal to, so this is 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta, that is equal to sin square theta by cos theta, sin square theta by cos theta. Now x square y is equal to, we have to show that this x square y, x square is 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta, where y is sin square theta by cos theta. So these gets cancelled, that is equal to, so this is 1 by cos cube theta, that is equal to secant cube theta, secant cube theta. And the next term, so this is what, x square y is equal to secant cube theta, implies x square y whole power raising the power 2 by 3 is equal to secant cube theta whole power 2 by 3. So cancel, that is the secant square theta. So x square y whole power 2 by 3 is equal to secant square theta. And similarly, write xy square equal to, where x is equal to what, 1 by sin theta cos theta, 1 by sin theta cos theta into y square. So this is y square is sin power 4 theta into sin power 4 theta by cos square theta, sin power 4 theta by, this is y square, this is y square means sin power 4 theta by cos square theta. So this is equal to sin, one sin gets cancelled, so this is sin cube theta, cos theta into cos square theta, so this is sin cube theta by cos cube theta, that is equal to tan cube theta. So this is xy square equal to xy square whole power 2 by 3 is equal to tan cube theta whole power 2 by 3, that is equal to tan square theta. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So that implies x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta, which is equal to 1. Okay, thank you. Write down.